Hey everyone, this is Tyler with Zoho, and in this video I'm going to teach you how you can take a custom view that you've created in Zoho CRM and sync it to Campaigns so you can then send that list a mailer through Campaigns. Syncing a list is really easy. Let's hop in here and I'll show you how to do it. Here we are in Zoho CRM, but before I set up the sync, I want to set up an example like I normally do so it's easier to contextualize why you're setting up the sync and how to do it. So let's pretend that we are a company that has just run a trade show in California. So we have a bunch of new leads from California, but what we want to do is send those leads a mailer. And so the way that we can do that is by creating a view in CRM and then syncing that view to Campaigns where we can then send them a mailer. So the first thing we need to do is create our view. So let's go to the leads module, because that's where all of the leads that we just got at that trade show from California are going to be residing right now. So when we want to create a view, we're going to head over to this top left section. This is actually a drop-down menu of all of our views. You can see some of them are custom created by me, and some of them are just default views that come standard in CRM. But we're going to go ahead and create a new view because we just want those leads from the California trade show. So we'll call this the California Trade Show Leads. And now we're going to specify our criteria. So this is specifying who's actually going to make it into this view from the leads module. So we're going to scroll down and go with state is California. So now we've specified that every single lead in this view is going to have the state field filled out to be California. So we know that these are leads from California. Now we can put more information into this view if we want. Right now it's just showing us first name, last name, company, and email. Let's say that we want the city as well. We'll just drag and drop it. And then we'll save. So we've now created this view. There are 37 leads in our CRM that are from California. So we can assume in this hypothetical situation that all of these leads are from the trade show because this is the only thing we've ever done in California in this situation. So we now know that this view is filled with all of the leads that we got from our trade show in California. So now what we need to do is get this view into Campaigns so we can then send them a mailer. Now, how do we do that? We can do that by setting up the sync. So to set up a sync, you go to the top right to the settings gear icon. You go to Marketplace, click Zoho, and then scroll down to the Zoho Campaigns integration and click Manage. So here are all the active syncs that we have going right now. But we want to create a new sync because we just created that new view. So we're going to click New Sync. We're going to select the type of sync, either immediate, meaning that the leads in that view are going to sync right now, only one time, immediately into Campaigns, or we can do a periodic sync where if we think that that view is going to continually update, we're going to get more leads from California and we're going to get more leads from that trade show. We'll set it up to periodically sync maybe once a week so that the list in Campaigns is constantly updating with the view in CRM. But for now, we're just going to select an immediate sync. And it's from the leads module, right? We know that these are leads from California, so we're syncing the leads module. We're going to create it. We'll call this the California Leads Sync. Now this is important. We're not selecting all leads, right? Because we don't want every single lead in our CRM to be synced into Campaigns. We just want that custom view that we just created to be synced to Campaigns. So we'll click Custom, we'll select the view. There it is right there, the California Trade Show Leads. We'll select that. And then we're going to sync to a mailing list in Zoho Campaigns. Now I haven't created a mailing list yet for this view. So we'll actually just create it right now through CRM, and this is going to be creating a mailing list in Zoho Campaigns. So we'll call this the California leads list. We'll say, we met you at a trade show in California. We'll save that. These are the advanced sync settings. The descriptions are very good. This one's going to allow you to ignore the opt-out leads or contacts and export only the active leads and contacts from Zoho CRM. So we do probably want that. If someone opts out of our marketing emails, we're going to want to click this. And then we're going to want to exclude converted leads as well, because the converted lead is someone who has now been converted into a customer, and we only want to be emailing leads. So we'll save that. And the sync has now been initiated successfully. So if we go over to Zoho Campaigns, and the sync is happening right now as I'm speaking, we can navigate over to the list that we have in Campaigns, and we can see there's a new California leads list that I just created in CRM. It is now existing in Campaigns, and the leads list is updating right now as I'm speaking. So there are no leads in here yet, but they'll populate as the sync gets finished with. But that's all it takes to take a view from Zoho CRM and sync it to Zoho Campaigns. Thanks everyone for watching. Please leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Please leave us a comment if you have any questions or if you have any suggestions for future videos. I'll see you on the next one.